Tanjiro Kamado is the main protagonist of the immensely popular manga and anime series Kimetsu no Yaiba, also known as Demon Slayer. Created by Koyo Harugatouge, this series has captured the hearts of fans worldwide with its compelling characters, breathtaking animation, and intricate storytelling. Tanjiro Kamado is at the heart of this captivating tale, and his journey from a humble charcoal seller to a demon slayer is a story of resilience, determination, and unwavering kindness. Tanjiro's character is defined by his strong sense of responsibility and deep love for his family. The series begins with the tragic event that changes his life forever, the massacre of his family by demons, leaving only his sister, Nezuko, miraculously alive, but turned into a demon herself. This heart-wrenching loss could have broken anyone, but it instead fuels Tanjiro's resolve to protect his sister and seek revenge against the demons responsible for their suffering. One of Tanjiro's most defining characteristics is his unwavering kindness and empathy, even in the face of unimaginable adversity. He refuses to see his sister as a monster, clinging to the belief that her humanity can be restored. This enduring bond between Tanjiro and Nezuko forms the emotional core of the series, showcasing the power of family and love in the face of darkness. Tanjiro's journey as a demon slayer is fraught with challenges, but he approaches each obstacle with determination and a strong sense of justice. His training with the eccentric and powerful swordsman, Sakanji Urokodaki, showcases his remarkable growth as he hones his skills in the breath of water, a powerful sword technique that becomes his signature style. His unyielding commitment to becoming a demon slayer and avenging his family is inspiring, and it's this dedication that draws others to him, creating a loyal group of friends and allies. As Tanjiro progresses in his journey, he encounters a diverse cast of characters, each with their own demons, both figuratively and literally, to face. His interactions with fellow demon slayers like Zenitsu Agatsuma and Inosuke Kashibara add depth to his character and highlight his ability to inspire and bring out the best in those around him. These relationships showcase his leadership qualities and his ability to unite people in a common cause. One of the most captivating aspects of Tanjiro's character is his moral compass. He embodies the idea that true strength lies not just in physical power but in the purity of one's heart. Throughout the series, he repeatedly faces demons who were once humans, and his compassion for their tragic fates is a testament to his humanity. This juxtaposition of empathy in the brutal world of demon slaying adds complexity to his character and keeps the narrative emotionally engaging. Tanjiro's journey is also one of self-discovery. He learns about the history and inner workings of the Demon Slayer Corps, confronts the twisted ideologies of some of the demons he encounters, and delves into the mysteries of the demons themselves. His quest to unravel the truth about demons and their origins is central to the overarching plot of Kimetsu no Yaiba. As the story unfolds and the stakes grow higher, Tanjiro's character continues to evolve. His battles become more intense, and he faces increasingly powerful adversaries, including the enigmatic Muzan Kibutsuji, the original demon and the series' ultimate antagonist. Tanjiro's determination to defeat Muzan and rid the world of demons is a testament to his unwavering commitment to justice. In conclusion, Tanjiro Kamado is a character who embodies the best qualities of a hero: courage, resilience, kindness, and an unshakable sense of justice. His journey from a grieving brother to a skilled and compassionate demon slayer is at the heart of Kimetsu no Yaiba. Through his character, the series explores themes of family, friendship, and the enduring power of love and hope in the face of darkness. Tanjiro's story has resonated with fans worldwide and solidified his place as one of the most beloved protagonists in modern anime and manga.